अवधेश प्रताप सिंह विश्वविद्यालय रीवा के विरुद्ध दायर याचिका में छात्र अमन सिंह बघेल को अंतरिम राहत प्राप्त हुई है, जिसके बाद वह 5वें सेमेस्टर की परीक्षा में बैठ सकते हैं। छात्र अमन सिंह बघेल ने बताया कि दिनांक 21 मई 2025 को विश्वविद्यालय परिसर में हुए छात्र आंदोलन के दौरान यह संपूर्ण प्रकरण उत्पन्न हुआ था, जिसके बाद बीए एलएलबी छात्र व छात्र प्रतिनिधि अमन सिंह बघेल को विश्वविद्यालय कुलपति के आदेश पर 6 माह के लिए निलंबित किया गया था। हालांकि अब उन्हें अंतरिम राहत प्राप्त हो गई है। इस प्रकरण में याचिकाकर्ता अमन सिंह बघेल की ओर से अधिवक्ता सुश्री विधि सिंह परिहार ने माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के समक्ष पैरवी की और विधि के विद्यार्थी छात्र प्रतिनिधि अमन सिंह बघेल को 5वें सेमेस्टर की परीक्षा में बैठने की अनुमति दिलाकर अंतरिम राहत प्रदान कराने में भी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई। उक्त निर्णय के बाद छात्र अब परीक्षा में शामिल हो सकता है।
Not just WB is filed against the impugned order of suspension. I am a BLLB student. I have been suspended from my 5th semester exams. The impugned order is unreasonable, without assigning any reason and without giving me any opportunity of hearing this order have been passed, which is in nature of.
You have been expelled?
Yes, Lord.
Why?
Lordship. No, one semester. I may state the whole matter.
Doubts it, I see.
May please permit to state the whole matter. I'll honestly, fairly submit all these things.
Why you have been expelled?
What has happened, my lord, in this? Initially, my lord, on 21st May, an incident took place, my lord, where in fact I am a student leader, my lord, so I had an issue.
Sit down. It's not a classroom.
I had an issue that I was fighting for the rights of the other students whom exams were near and the last semester results were not out, my lord. So I was protesting for them, my lord. And there are videos which I have annexed in the pen drive, my lord. There are students also with me, those who are aggrieved by the thing, and they have even considered our demand on the same day, which is in my taking document. This is the issue, my lord. Initially, this in taking document, in page number 4, Lord, may kindly see on the same date of incident, which my learned friend will point out, my lord, what the incident has happened. On 21st May, प्रथम द्वितीय वर्ष NIE ये है प्राचार्य केंद्राध्यक्षों से निवेदन है कि ऐसे छात्र छात्राओं की उत्तर पुस्तिकाएं पृथक रखवाई जाए एवं वचन पत्र लेकर परीक्षा में सम्मिलित कराए जाए। ये डिमांड हमारी एक्सेप्ट कर ली गई। फॉर द सेम डिमांड ऑन 21st May I was protesting for the rights of the other students, Lord. Initially they have accepted my demand for the way of protesting. The act was definitely a bit wrong, my lord, because we went inside the VC chamber, my lord, because after so many requests, my lord, they were not agreeing to it and the exams were very near. We have approached a bit wrong act, my lord. We entered into the chamber and we have annexed a poster in the VC chair, my lord. And because of that, they say that they have expelled me from the semester exams after a lapse of 3.5 months, my lord, without passing any reasonable order. Because the suspension order is of 12 September, my lord. And this incident was what my learned friend will point out, my lord, that is of 21st May. After a lapse of 3.5 months, my lord, I have been expelled without assigning any reason. If my lord may kindly see the impugned order, no reason is assigned in this, my lord. Annexure P1. This is.
Lordship, if I may be allowed to.
एक मिनट are you in caveat? Caveat लगाई आपने?
No, Lordship. I am.
फिर आप जब बुलाएंगे आपको तब बोलिए।
12/9/2025 का ऑर्डर है my lord, Annexure P1। उपरोक्त विषयांतर्गत लेख है कि फैक्टोरियल बोर्ड की बैठक दिनांक 9/7/2025 को संपन्न हुई, जिसमें समिति ने निर्णय अनुशंसा लिया गया कि छात्र अमन सिंह बघेल प्रेजेंट एप्लीकेंट बीए एलएलबी ऑनर्स को एक सेमेस्टर के लिए एक्सपेल किया जाता है। नो रीजन इज असाइन्ड, अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ हियरिंग वाज गिवन, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नेचुरल जस्टिस वाज नॉट फॉलोड, बट स्टिल my lord, in the last date of hearing, my learned friend has pointed out that because of that reason, the incident which took place 3.5 months ago, because of that reason I was expelled, my lord. Now, my lord.
9/7/25.
Sorry, my lord.
Decision was taken on 9/7/25.
On 14 September 25, my lord.
आप ही ने लगाया एडिशनल डॉक्यूमेंट, उसमें मीटिंग डेटेड 9/7/25.
हाँ, meeting date 9/7/25. The suspension order is of 14 September, my lord. And then
12/9 का suspension order.
And why I am stating it, this is with a malified intent, my lord. May I please? Because after 3.5 months, my lord, I have filed an RTI against the university in regard to the financial irregularities in the university, my lord, on 4 September 25. Just after that, on 12th.
So, sir, why you have not had reply till date?
Lordship,
नोटिस
reply.
तो होगा इसमें,
जी
नोटिस तो होगा है।
जी हाँ, I have prepared the reply, but
Why you have not filed prepared है?
मेरे बेटे की तबीयत खराब थी इसलिए मैं
अरे,
उसके साथ हॉस्पिटल।
ये ऑर्डर कब हुआ? 13/2/26 को।
जी हाँ।
एग्जाम कब से हो रहा है?
Exams are already going on, my lord.
Going on.
Tomorrow is the paper, my lord.
Lordship,
That is-
reply ready है. I will be filing it during the course of the day only. I have received the video footage in the pen drive which we shall be filing along with the reply. If my lords allow me, I will put forth the side of the other side of the story, which my learned friend has already trying to.
No, first you file a reply.
जी.
Let the petitioner go through your reply, then we will hear about the file.
3 days time kindly may be given.
Why 3 days time? You file today itself.
Lordship may keep it tomorrow and I will.